What's up, y'all? SCS back with another one. So we got the coilover adjusters. Like I said, we're gonna bring the back up on that car. These just came. I was running to get it in the mailbox. This came, but I ain't never. Wire set came, but I ain't never recorded. Boom. We're gonna try to make sure these don't burn up. I think I'm gonna get some exhaust tape because the headers, they are very, very close. I think I'm gonna drill a hole in these so I can zip tie them all together so they don't get lost. It's the best way to make sure these all stick. Tape, I'll just tape it. Yep, just tape them up, put them all together. So that way I know I won't lose it. I'm actually about to throw a lot of this away. If I don't touch something for a long time, I throw it away, and then every time I end up needing it. But I swear, since we've been in this house and I put this toolbox right here, the only time I come in this toolbox is for the steering wheel puller. What is this? I forgot what this is. Just be buying stuff. I forgot what this is. Somebody know what this is? Comment. I want to try my best to try to get the Donk over here and get the Tahoe. I can just put it outside while we're gonna Donk for one day. I just need one day for all the mechanical stuff. I'm about to buy an exhaust hanger. I'm about to buy, I already got the carb. I'm about some exhaust hanger fuel hose. I got the piece that go on the carb. Get 2 gaskets. Boom, this is the piece I'm looking for. I need a gauge for it. Must have dropped. I need a gauge and some tape for this. I got some fuel tape, matter of fact. So that, gonna get some plugs. Shoot, I mean, I think that may be it. We might have to get a bracket for the pedal. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see what's on there and then see how we could make it work. Quick fuel, throttle bracket, and TV cable bracket. I came back up over here to check on the linkage, so should be able to work, man, if I use this same method with this bracket. So there's nothing bolt on that side. I don't see a TV cable set up on it, so let me go up under there and see if there's one under there. Okay, I see a TV cable. TV cable hooked up to the pedal, it looked like. Right here is TV cable. I'm gonna go in there and see how it's hooked up in there. That's cool as F. TV cable. So if y'all can see it, so I'm about to put my feet on the gas. That's cool. Now all we gotta do is tighten up this damn throttle cable. That's what that is right there. So we're gonna get us a little bit more out of that throttle cable. So, all right, that's cool. That's a cool setup. Never seen it, never heard of it. But like I say, I learned something every day I come over here and think about how something works on this car. I got box Chevy battery brackets, and I'm gonna see if the bracket fit right here. Then I'm gonna use like two batteries like this. Some 78 series batteries with the clamp on that part. And that's what I'm gonna use to bolt the batteries down. So I'm gonna go, when I come back over here, I'm gonna see. All right, we back. I'm trying to prep all my parts for the Donk. So today the carb come. If anybody need box Chevy bumper fills, I have 4 of them, 300 a piece. Does not include shipping. Know that like I've been working, but I've been working out. I wasn't working. So got this Donk right here at the gas tank. So I'm gonna go and pour this thing down because the other one got a whole fuel injected setup, and this was a carb tank. And I believe it's 15 mil, 2 bolts holding that on. So I'm gonna go and zap that down. And then big shout out to J Malcolm once again for the Holly Blue. Cool. Guess I just can't find the dang pump now. So that's pretty crappy. It might still be in the car. I don't remember where I put it at. soon this car came, well, I got so many DMs out this car. Maybe it's a 13. On box Chevy, it's a 15 usually. I got so many DMs for this car. It was crazy. I was like, dang. I'm about to get a jack. I don't like the way this thing's sitting. Matter of fact, I'm put these 2x4s on there. Alright, y'all see me. I got the 4x4. I tweet those 4x4s. I got them under there. Then what I be using to cut my wood up. But I got those under there. Just in case this thing decided to want to drop on me. I won't die. Might be hurt, but I won't die. I'm over here trying to save the hose. Probably be problems. Ain't like I'm gonna use it. At least all of them ain't like I'm gonna use all of them. Today, I think I'm about to go ahead and order a transmission jack. So I could be able to put the tank, this tank, up there. The other one I think is like 3/4 full. I ain't gonna be able to hold that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy a transmission jack so I could be able to let it down safely. I need it anyway for that type of stuff. I be putting off buying tools till I need it. Man, that stuff be expensive. Like a lot of people think the prices be whatever, you know. I'm always talking about prices, man, because it's a lot of people who say, hey, I want to do this, I want to do that. What advice can you give me? I always say tools are very expensive. Like, cause first when you start starting out, man, it's hard because nobody know who you is. They don't know, they ain't seen your work sometimes, most of the time, and everybody want to bargain with you, but you can't bargain when you got stuff you need and got to pay for. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing to think about. Take that sending unit cable out. So I might just clean this tank, then try to rubberize it. It look like it's been rubberized. Y'all can see. But that's grease build up though. Let me get a dolly for it. Alright, easy to move. It do got a return too, so I ain't never seen it. But I'm gonna just use it. If it read what it's supposed to read, I'm about to test it. As long as it read what I need, I'm gonna use it. I'm just trying to make sure that it's good. this how it looks down good, boy. I can't complain with that. I just expected it to be black at the bottom. But nope, it's good. So we're gonna get a hose. Alright, some 3/8 fuel hose I got. I'm not sure what size this needs. 3/8 or 5/16 for the feed. Right here. 3/8. I see it. Yeah, 3/8. So I get some 3/8 non-fuel injected. I believe this fuel injected that I got. Oh no, this regular. Not for fuel injection. I ain't got enough to run the whole car though. So put that gas in there. Or gas / water. Whatever the hell it is. Show y'all a trick. Only really old people know this stuff. But we're gonna get this gas tank way up. And then use a suction method. But let me get the tank up and I'm show y'all what I'm talking about. Got the tank up. I'm gonna stick this in now. One man. Dang, pissing. Bunch came out. Alright, a bunch more came out, man. So I set it on the corner and let it go dry. So we clean it. I'm gonna get the coating for it. That bracket I was talking about. If this one fit, then that should fit on both sides. So